Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really pretty fall floral idea that would be perfect for a wedding centerpiece, a statement piece in your entryway, or just to use as part of your fall decor around the house. I got everything in Dollar Tree besides the spray paint, but feel free to use whatever floral pieces you might already have or whatever you find in a store near you. For the vase part itself, I used a margarita glass that I painted rose gold and an etched glass bowl, which you could just leave clear glass if you want to. I was just kind of worried like you might see the styrofoam floral foam block inside, especially when I start sticking the flowers into it. But I don't know, maybe not. It might actually be fine that way. I just decided to give the outside a spray with this rustoleum looking glass paint. It didn't make a big difference whether I sprayed the inside or the outside, so I decided to spray the outside. I was kind of worried that if the inside was painted, then when I used hot glue to stick the floral foam block in, it might actually pull off some of the paint if the paint was on the inside of the bowl. So anyway, I decided to paint the outside of the bowl, but my floral foam is glued in already, like I said, so let's get started on the flowers. And for that, I used 2 bunches of the wheat. Dollar Tree has this red one, but I wasn't too crazy about the texture. It just kind of reminds me of like some kind of spiders or like clumpy mascara on tangled eyelashes. Sorry, that was kind of random, but I don't know, it just looks kind of weird to me. So I'm not too crazy about this one, but I really like the look of this wheat a lot better. I think the texture is just a lot more realistic looking. I'm using 1 bunch of the yellowish green ones and 1 bunch of the more yellowy orange ones. And then I also used 2 bunches each of these burgundy wine colored mums, the sunflower mix bouquets, these beige colored hydrangea flowers, and also the multicolored fall leaves. I used hot glue to attach the bottom of the bowl onto the bottom of the margarita glass like this, and be sure to use some E6000 glue or something like that if you do want to make sure that your arrangement is extra secure. Now for the wheat, I fanned out each stem and then kind of intermingled them like this because they aren't the same and I wanted kind of more of an even look. Go ahead and cut all your leaf and flower stems into individual pieces. And then I started by making a circle of fall leaves around the wheat. Then another circle below that, alternating the hydrangea and the sunflowers. And then I stuck the mums in a circle along the base of the arrangement. And so this is how it looks with just 1 bunch of each of those flower bunches. But like I said, I did decide to use 2 bunches of each because it was just way too sparse looking. So at this point, I decided that these long pieces from the sunflower bouquets would look better stuck into the top with the wheat. And like I said, the arrangement is still just kind of sparse looking and kind of has gaps and holes in it. So like I said in the beginning, get 2 bunches of each of the flowers. So now I'm going to add the 2nd bunch of each into the arrangement. And this part is totally optional, but I love how unique it looks with the hanging bunches of grapes. It just reminds me of like a fall harvest, and I really like how they look here. So the trick here with the grapes is to leave the plastic ring from the tag on the grapes and just rip off the little cardboard paper tag, keep the plastic part of it, and then you can take one of your flower stems and hang the plastic loop from the tag of the grapes on there, and then that way when you push your flower stem into the floral foam, it's going to anchor your grapes on there and hang them right in place. I decided to use 3 of them going around and alternate it so no matter which way you were looking at the flower arrangement, you were able to see the grapes, and then just finish filling in your flowers, fluff out any leaves or flower petals so that everything's looking nice and neat. And that's it. You have a stunning fall harvest arrangement that's totally customizable, but would look amazing as a wedding or dining table centerpiece, a unique piece of home decor, or for me, I'm actually going to be using this at a fall brunch that I'm hosting later this month. So you guys might see it again in a few weeks once that video comes out. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Bye!